video I'll be showing you our expense entry search feature. So go ahead and click on expense and search. In the search criteria box here, you can search for any term, whether it is a timekeeper's name, a client's name, matter name, or even specific text in the description of the expense entry. And then you can select the date range from which you need to search the expense entries that were created, and then you can click on more options to further narrow down your search by selecting a timekeeper from a list of your timekeepers. Clients and matters will be listed, and then you can select the status of the entry, and then we have the billable type here too, so you can really narrow down your search to find what you need. After you've conducted the search, you can see the different details for the entries. You can see a summary for it, and you can see the status of the entry, and you can edit it from here, or you can drop down and you can even copy an existing entry. This essentially allows you to select the date to copy and paste the same expense entry onto any other given date. So for example, this is by default on today's date, but if I click here, I can change the date from the calendar view, and I can copy and paste this same entry, existing entry, onto another date.